And you know what most people don't do? They don't have their potential loss already calculated. But this is how you make intelligent decisions. I've always told you that trading is a microcosmic version of life, and it's hard to not get better at every other area of your life when you get better at trading, because all the components of proper trading are the same components that make for you being better at everything else. Measuring risk, that is a beneficial life skill. Knowing odds, what's the potential? Is the potential higher for this scenario or higher for this scenario? Being able to judge that, right? Becoming more disciplined and doing what you say you're going to do. That is a beneficial life skill. Keeping your word. Knowing when to cut something out of your life because it's no longer good for you. That is not just a trading skill. That is a life skill. Being able to cut a relationship that becomes toxic. Being able to cut a stock that becomes toxic. You know, it's all the same. All right, so Teresa's asking a good thing. A good question here. So maybe when you got double X, you aim for 25, 30% versus 50% or more. You can, but remember, guys, aiming can come into play with a part of your play. I'll take a portion of my profits at this target, but you should let the market take you out of the trade. So the full trade. So for instance, if you take this trade and you say, okay, I'm going to go for 25% or wherever that is, right? You take two lots. You take one at your target, but let your system take you out of the rest. I'm telling you, you're going to make more money that way. Because stocks the winning plays often outperform where you think the target should be. All right. So yeah, come up with a target, take one there. Even the ones that I teach you guys, new highs, I would not get into the habit of taking everything on a new high. Let the market take you out of the rest. Let your system take you out of the rest. Let that moving average take you out of the rest. Let that big bar stop take you out of the rest. Let that bar by bar, if it gets far away, take you out of the rest. Don't let ego say, I decide when it's over. I know when it's over. Don't let the ego slip in there and kill your trade. Matt, you're trying it too, AMD? Right. Nice. Look at that. Now, guys, look at that grind on AMD. You gotta have that moving average there now, right? So we can't use that 20. You see? You can't use that 20. That 20 is not relevant. So you go down. You know what to do. You go down. Let's check that 13. That's not even relevant. Let's check that 8. Boom. That's the relevant one. All right. You can also use that big bar because healthy moves should not be breaking their big bars. Andres, you did it on eBay? All right. Nice. Look at that bounce off the 8, guys. Boing. Beautiful.